With the Redmine integration, you can link Qase test cases, runs, and defects with Redmine issues. You can also create a new Redmine issue directly from within Qase during a test run. To install the app, navigate to the Apps section of your workspace, and under Issue Trackers, find the Redmine app. Click the app card and select Install Now. You will need both the URL of your Redmine instance and an API access key. An API access key can be generated from the My Account section of your Redmine workspace. Once both fields are filled, click Install. We've now successfully integrated Qase with Redmine. Let's look at the app's usage now. To link a Redmine issue to your Qase test case, click the test case and switch to the Properties tab, and scroll down until you see the Link with Apps section. Here, select the Redmine app and proceed to search and link the issue. To link a Redmine issue to your Qase test run, from your Run dashboard, click the Select an Integration button under External Issues and proceed to search and link the issue. Similarly, a Redmine issue can be linked to a Qase defect. Choose a defect and select the app from the Link with Apps dropdown. Then, simply search for the issue and click Link. Apart from linking existing Redmine issues to Qase artifacts, you can also create a new Redmine issue directly from a Qase test run. Let's create one. During your test run, when adding a negative result to any test case, select the Create or Attach Defect checkbox, and on the next screen, select the Redmine app under Choose Integration option. Click Add Defect, and on the subsequent screen, we'll have an option to both link an existing Redmine issue or create a new issue. The title and description fields are pre-populated with information from your test case and the result. Choose the appropriate values for rest of the fields and click Create. You can find the newly created Redmine issue from the Defects tab of the same test run or under the Defects section of the project. If you have more questions on this or any other feature, you can check out our help articles in our FAQ section. If you do not find an answer to your question, or if you have any feedback that you'd like to share with us, just drop us a message.